TikTokers, I'm back with another one. This is a highway tire change right here. Pulling up on the customer. He's right off of 465 here in Indianapolis on Shadeland Avenue. I have arrived, and they have been waiting quite a minute, so they might not be happy, but they better be. Hello there.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Name?
Julio.
Okay, so you're not Terrence.
I am not Terrence.
I'm gonna cancel Terrence.
Go ahead, cancel Terrence. Terrence is late. Julio's here. All right. So here we go. Hopefully y'all can see this. You want to go ahead and close your door for me right there? Thank you very much. So I'm learning that my average tire change time is around 6 minutes. That's from pull up to take off. On like 80% of jobs. Let me grab the go ahead and grab the car. Can you pop the trunk for me so I can grab the spare piece? No, you're okay. Just take your time. Okay, I'll make sure I get it out of the way, and I won't break anything. I promise. Okay, I'll be careful with it. Loco, here's my second set of eyes. And all I was looking for was that fella and that fella. We're gonna set the Loco to give a warning to folks. Like that. Put it right there on the road. That way they know somebody's out here working, risking their life. I'm making a video, so I'm not crazy, okay? Love it when sockets get stuck. That's the best. That's what I call a warp lug nut right there. rear tire is off. Now I'm looking for my 100-pound torque stick. My only mistake was I parked a little too far, and I'm not going to stretch my air compressor line all the way over here, so I'm going to pull the car up and air up this tire, because I'm pretty sure you're going to need some air in it. Great. It looks okay with air, but I know better. It needs air. I'm just gonna pull up in front of you and air your tire up, okay?
Okay.
So this one took a little bit longer, most likely. And what had happened was my air compressor had disconnected itself. So she was almost good. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. It's sitting at about 55. These tires are supposed to have 60. So, yeah, that's gonna do it. Doesn't take very long at all. Got my tool bag out of the way. Jack. You're all set to go, ma'am?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good evening.
You too.
Thanks for being patient with me.
No problem.
Thank you. Y'all heard it first. I was quick. What the Prius looks like. Right off the highway, right over there, that's 465. In my opinion, the biggest highway in Indianapolis. Or goes all the way around the city anyway. I'm gonna show y'all something cool. Well, I think it's cool. At my most visible, this is what it's looking like in the Prius. If you don't get out of the way when you see that, you're dumb. So this person's gonna move over. That's right. That's right. Fear the light. All right. And that there, my friends, was another job done. Again, thank you all for watching. And now I'm gonna go home and cuddle up. See you guys. Thanks for watching.